Yeah. See it here, you know. Look up, you know. Don't give up.
Wait. I'm gonna fucking finish the video so I can fool.
Health is your wealth. Talk before them done, you know.
Yeah, man. What you say?
Health over wealth, you know. Take a look.
You say what I
Drink them juice here now for go home go cook. You know love how the rich colour how them look. See it here. Juice here hand and juice here foot. Me have all juice to give back people them looks. Yo, what you do? You girl sing out like George Nooks. Yo, natural juice, you know. Pick a choice. Juice only want ice. You have to make a sacrifice, not part of the Antichrist. No poor people can rejoice. Visualize and make your dreams and materialize. See it here for the man them too fat now, oversized. Look out at your visual, me have to tell them literal. But them don't want to hear nothing spiritual. Things that get critical now, them end up at the medical. Say it here, not too much funeral. When God has saved people, him get radical. Yo, watch this now. God will save you, because him save the prodigal. Yo, health and your wealth, you know, beetroot and melon, skin, natural insulin. You know, if you run up and down behind now with no Vaseline. Your health is your wealth. Drive or change him timing belt. See it here, you for decide you know who have the money or hide. My bicycle wheel and Clyde. Drive and him go collide. The one around him run go hide. All them tax along for decide. Yo, fine. Natural enzymes and them things that will bring sensation to your mind don't get left behind. We are living in a perilous time. See it there, God responsible for make the sun shine. Though you can't see it in your eye, man, you're not blind. Everything combined. Yo, see it here, you know, you for chose. Not that they shows, you know. Young boy, look how much lyrics I get and all, you know, want to move. Sex life have to improve, you know. Yo, for choice, you know. I just survive, just to stay alive. Medication I prescribe.
Promote the thing, man.
See it, Mr. Natural. Them juice and artificial, them contain mineral. Me have to tell you literal. See it, you know, your health and your wealth, you know. Cash, peanut and pumpkin as soon as I reach home, she want something. Can't get up every day and talk about dumpling. Cucumber and string bean make your blood circulate. Right away you see her skin a radiate upon what them a contemplate. All when them belly full, them a stretch out them plate. You just see the roach in the corner use them antenna and navigate. See it there, out of my jawbone, the whole of them lyrics are escape. Yo, see it there enough. Lock the casket. Things are fantastic, but them sit down and watch it for fantastic.
Yo, the juice man, I go hard.
I'm
probably tell you.
Just to stay alive.
Yo, I forgot pay, you go hard. Yo, for your that man, that thing.
Yo, for chores, you know.
Holy roads.
I'm down like them now.
Yes, sir. For the back, man. Man, you full of lyrics. Not you, Jennifer. Full of lyrics.
I just survive, you know, just to stay alive. See that when I reach you, then you're just looking at her eyes and start visualize and make your dreams and materialize. See that? Health come first. Bless her in her stress. Bless forget this.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You're
alright.
Good. You're good, man.
Ride off. I want the money ride off. You don't want to job for
big up, come and big up yourself, man.
That's how we say big up, Mr. Natural.
Yeah, man.
See, none of them juice are artificial. Contain mineral.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Don't want to hear nothing spiritual.
What do you name? Peanut.
Peanut and blend up. You want to say that foot hang up, you think I two different sounds string up. See that, what my people? You just say good over evil and fight like the flower and the weevil. See that, what my people? I just survive, you know, just to stay alive.
Up.
You know what I'm saying?